13 Reasons to Love Lavender. Lavandula angustifolia, in its many varieties, are low-maintenance and drought-tolerant plants. Lavender is the most versatile of all the essential oils. There are many types of lavender, but all lavender is fragrant and used for medicinal, cosmetic, and culinary uses. It may be used to cleanse cuts, bruises and skin irritations. The fragrance is calming, relaxing and balancing, physically and emotionally. Carry a small bottle of lavender around with you. It's like having your own personal first aid kit. It is safe to use. Use it straight from the bottle. There's no need to blend it with a carrier oil. Unlike many other essential oils, it's safe to apply lavender oil directly to your skin. Nausea or motion sickness. To alleviate the symptoms of motion sickness, place a drop of lavender oil on end of your tongue or behind your ears. Sleep. Research supports lavender as being useful for treating insomnia and promoting a better quality of sleep. Rub a drop of lavender oil on your palms and wipe onto your pillow. You'll get a good night's sleep. Hay fever. Rub a drop of lavender oil between your palms and inhale deeply to help alleviate the symptoms of hay fever. Depression. Improve your mood. Good news if you suffer with depression or anxiety. Lavender essential oil can be a calming mood lifter. Rub on your feet, temples, wrists, or anywhere for an immediate calming effect on the body. Great for use in crowded areas like planes or subways. It's even used in waiting rooms to keep patients relaxed. Flavor booster. Add a few drops of lavender to any recipe you want to enhance the flavor. Especially good in dessert recipes and salad dressings. Insect bite. Put a drop of lavender oil on a bee sting or insect bite to stop itching and reduce swelling. Healthy skin. Promote healthy skin. Researchers found that essential oil of lavender can help fight fungal infections of the skin and heal wounds faster. Cuts. Put a drop of lavender oil on a cut to stop bleeding, to clean the wound, and kill bacteria. Minor burns. Put 2 to 3 drops lavender oil on a minor burn to decrease pain. It will help reduce redness, swelling and pain. Cold sores. You can place a drop of lavender oil on a cold sore to help in the healing process. Eczema. Mix several drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Use topically on the eczema or dermatitis. Relatively inexpensive. It's great value. Although used as an ingredient in expensive perfumes, lavender oil itself, and many toiletries made from lavender oil, are relatively inexpensive.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.